In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an existing file in Excel. So go to your desktop and double click on Excel, go to Open. Excel will give you an option of seeing recently opened spreadsheets. So it could be from here, and you just click on it, and then it opens. Another option is to go ahead and click on an Excel and go to Open, now to Browse. And in my machine, I have a directory of spreadsheets, and I click on that, and then I can click on the spreadsheet I need. One other way to do it is I have spreadsheet short cuts on my desktop, and I can just click on those, and then the spreadsheet will come up. And that is how you can do that 3 ways. I hope that helps, and have a good day.